One up! Interview ko kayo, interview ha. MVP, sino sa MVP? Ikaw ba? Oh. Hawakan mo, ano masasabi mo sa tournament ngayon?
The best, the best.
Okay, enjoy talaga, thank you for
Kuya Val.
Yeah, thank you.
Hindi na lang si Kuya Val para manalo kami.
Thank you. Tony, come on, speak up. Tony, good to see you, man. What you gotta say, man? Congratulations. Yeah. Gian, I gotta say something, man. Parang Olympic champion to, oh. Yeah, Gian, good to see you. Ayan, ayan, oh. Isan ko na sa inyo, ano. Closing, ang sasabi.